The reasons why spring weather in the southern part of Australia is so volatile. Extreme weather meteorologist Claire Yeo said the winds would develop across Melbourne and central areas during Sunday morning, with damaging gusts of up to 100 kilometers per hour or more. A severe weather warning for damaging winds is expected to be issued on Saturday morning.Ms. Yeo said rain would follow the strong winds, with 10 to 20 millimeters expected in the flood-ravaged northeast, with localized falls up to 30 millimeters in some areas. Rainfalls will be generally less than 10 millimeters for the rest of the state. Major flood warnings remain in place for the Avoca, Ovens and King rivers on Friday. Evacuation orders remained for parts of Myrtleford. Floodwater is receding in Charlton, but Quambatook and Caring remain on alert for the weekend, with fears crops will be damaged and roads become dangerous, leading to townships being cut off. Victoria State Emergency Service received more than 150 calls for assistance between midnight on Thursday and Friday afternoon, including a call-out for 2 kayakers rescued in Warrandyte. VIC's State Response Controller Trevor White has reminded Victorians to be careful, to monitor local conditions and look out for each other, especially at the community events taking place over the weekend. With recent significant rainfall, the state is saturated and we are likely to continue to experience flooding in the coming weeks, he said. This flooding is going to be